Folding solar panel kit flexible portable. High efficiency. Select high efficiency monocrystalline silicon solar cells. The power generation efficiency is 1.2 times higher than that of conventional polycrystalline. Advanced technology. Using the second generation component packaging process, it is thinner, lighter, softer, and has a longer life. Waterproof. The surface is made of PET material, which is treated with special technology to make it more wear-resistant and improve the absorption efficiency of sunlight. Safety. It has high light transmittance, is safe and reliable, and has no danger of burning or explosion. Easy carrying. Portable folding bag design, with controller and battery, suitable for outdoor scenes such as RV, household, camping, yacht. Convenience bag design. Solar portable folding charging bag with large capacity pocket for small mobile power and controller to avoid direct sunlight during charging.